we are streaming, and I'm going to do some simple PR updates. I'm hanging out at a friend's house today. Well, okay.
Hi, world.
Yes. And there's some video game music in the background, so it's good. So today we're going to update my Airflow PRs and my Beam PRs because they both have review comments on them. And a good way to actually get them merged is to respond quickly. When you take too long, the original reviewer will sometimes just wander away, and then you have to get a new person up to speed, and that can take work. For example, I think there are some projects where they have different designated people for the new incoming PRs each week. And this is, different projects do different things, but you want to try and get it merged at the same time when that's the case. So let's switch over. I'm going to update our little review info. Updating Apache Beam and Apache Airflow PRs. We're going to dump this into review info. Normally, I do a better job of keeping track of comments, but because I'm didn't really plan on doing this, it's sort of spur of the moment, I'm just going to periodically check in on my YouTube comments. I got the Twitch ones up down below though, because glorious phone of excellence. Unless I can trick Josh into opening the YouTube stream beside me, in which case, I mean, it's unlikely, but people might have comments. It's Holden Caro, Holden Karau. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, and then so this one here is the stream, and it's cool. You probably don't need the audio. Cool. Yeah, and we get the wonderful lag time with it. Okay, cool. So the first one is we're going to jump over here into Apache Incubator Airflow, pull requests, and I'm going to go author, filter it down to just me, and we can see, both of my PRs failed CI. That's not solid, but there's comments, and so maybe that's good, right? Let's go take a look at these comments. So on this one, what's the comments? Could I rebase, please? Cool, good catch. Needs rebase. Oh, cool, yay, okay. Yeah, so this needs being rebased, but people generally seem to like it, so that's fun. So that's nice though. So to do the rebase, we're gonna go back to Incubator Airflow. And this is because I'm not on the machine I was earlier. The machine I was on earlier already had this added as a remote. I'm gonna, well actually let's go git remote. Yeah, okay. Git remote add apache-github, and then I have the Incubator Airflow one here. And then I'm gonna go ahead. So they prefer rebases. So I'm gonna check out master git pull Apache GitHub master. Master. Cool, gives us that. Now we go ahead, we go git checkout. I don't remember what my branch was, so let's go back here. This tells me this was my branch. I give them very descriptive branch names because I never remember shit. I'm going to do a git pull. And that's because they want rebases, I'm going to have to do a force push to my own branch. And I don't accidentally want to stomp on my own work. I actually saw something that I'm going to try, force push with lease. Have you seen that?
No.
So supposedly force push with lease, but it won't. Well, whatever. I'll try it and see if it works. Worst case scenario, it doesn't work for the thing that I thought, but it might. And that would be cool. Anyway, so git rebase master. Okay. And we have a merge conflict. Yay! Cool. And the merge conflict is that someone else added flake 8, which, yeah, that's great. We can see I was looking at some other shit here. So what the incubator Airflow, and then we're going to go ahead and set up .py. Cool. So yeah, we want to keep flake 8 and we want to keep talks. This is an array, so we'll give it a column, a comma, okay. And then we're going to go git add, setup.py, git rebase, --continue, git. So I'm going to try git push force with lease. I think that's what it does. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna look that up. Git force push with lease. Oh, okay, cool. And so we're gonna go ahead and do this. Cool. And it looks like it worked. And this would matter more if I was collaborating with someone else. But I have actually overwritten my own work before with a force push by accident, where I forgot to pull in my latest changes.
Yeah.
And so what this does is force push with lease, or at least from my 30-second read of a random tweet I saw about it, which is
you can't lie on the internet. So
yeah, no, story checks out. That shit's always true.
Right.
Do you want to be in shot or no?
Sure.
Okay, cool. So we can reposition it so that you're conceivably in shot. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, you're sort of in
Hi,
shot.
everybody.
Whatever. I'm gonna put on my 70s glasses. But yeah, so the idea is it checks to make sure that if the remote repo has new commits pushed to it that you haven't fetched locally.
It blocks it.
It says yo yo yo, and so it totally works when we want to do a force push on a rebase.
So it's the same interaction as git push force, just with that extra check.
Yeah, and so that's pretty much almost always when I do force what I want. So that's good, and so we've updated it. Super exciting. I'm gonna jump over here. Cool. Thanks y'all for the review and kind words. I rebased on master. Okay, cool. Yeehaw. Okay. So that's good. I really hope that was the right PR. Cool. Yeah, it looks like it was. Okay, let's look at my other PR. This one is tagged work in progress because I couldn't get the test to run locally. Oh shit, that is not good. Cool. So there is this other thing that we were looking at, and it was all kinds of sadness.
That feedback loop's super slow if you have to go through CI.
Yeah, I am lazy as hell. So I mean, there's no actual comments on this, although this was referenced in another PR. So let's go take a look at that. Remove deprecated Airflow utils, apply defaults. I don't. Okay, let's go take a look. Wait, did it? Okay, I have to take off my 70s glasses to actually read. Wait, did it reference this? Oh, cool. Oh, awesome. Rockin'. So this person also they're essentially saying here that they took initiative based on me starting to remove the stuff that's deprecated for 2.0 because they're in the middle of the 2.0 dev cycle, and they thought this is a good time as well. So that's awesome.
Deprecating stuff?
Yeah, well, so removing all of the deprecated stuff for their 2.0 release. That being said, all checks failed makes me kind of sad. So let's go look at the checks that failed. Oh, I love some of the Travis people actually look like me, and it makes me so fucking happy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Travis is amazing.
Yo, there is all checks failed, honey.
That's
so many of my checks passed.
back in MySQL.
Who needs MySQL? App-get installed failed. This is not my problem. I did not break KRB5 admin server.
Right.
We're good. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go back. We're gonna say, can I retrigger this? The easiest way to retrigger it could probably just be rebasing it.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's do that. Cool. Git checkout. Buttons. Fuck. Cool. Okay, we're gonna go ahead, drop the whip tag. So there is another Jira, and it's one that I'm gonna take a look at, and it's essentially set up like a Docker file so people can run their tests. And I think that's a thing that's gonna be really important.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try and tackle that next week.
Yeah.
Probably on Friday, because happiness is overrated.
And if you figure that recipe out, then you obviate the need for the local test to run.
I mean, yeah. It does. It does.
And you want tests, right? How would they get there?
Yeah, I mean, tests in CI is better than no tests.
Right.
Tests that I can run locally and in CI is amazing. Tests that I can run in a Docker container and CI is like,
Could be worse.
yeah.
Yeah.
I have frequently worked on projects in a worse state than that.
Oh yeah, way worse. No
and-
tests. Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah. No, so like actual, like this CI is really nice. Like so not only do I just generally love Travis, like I really want to point out, like, look at this test matrix. Like,
Beautiful.
oh, I work on Spark and we don't.
No.
We're just like, well, whatever. It worked, kind of.
Maybe.
Hey, yeah, whatever. And like we check it during the release cycle, but
Right.
like then every release cycle we often find things where it's like, oh, well, shit, doesn't work in Yarn. Did anyone try that? No, fuck no. It's cool. You can swear on YouTube.
Oh yeah, no.
Cool.
No.
Okay, yeah, it's good. But okay, cool. So there's another Jira. We'll totally look at that. That's cool to know that it's not my fault. I'm really glad about that. But yeah, okay, cool. I'm happy to know it's not just me or my env. I'll take a look at that Docker Jira later for tests. Going to rebase this on master since the 2.7 MySQL failure in Travis seemed unrelated since I didn't touch app. Ooh, spelling is hard. Not getting KRB. Cool. Then we'll buttons this, all the bills. Cool. Git rebase master. Git push force with lease.
Eyes and fingers crossed.
Looking solid. Okay, cool.
Nice.
That's pretty great. And so we're good. That worked kind of. So that's it for the 2 Airflow PRs that we had outgoing. Oh yeah, I had this PR. It's against my own project. Feels like that's probably kind of cheating, but it doesn't merge anymore because I forgot to merge my own PR.
Awkward. So this is where that force lease thing.
Oh, guess fuck. Yeah. We'll come back here. Let's go do the Apache Beam one. And we can do this other like iterate template thing real quickly if there's spare time. So Apache Beam, pull requests, author, Holden. Cool. This one, and this one. This one I should probably close. It's not going anywhere, and it's been forked out into like 100 smaller PRs. This PR isn't going anywhere since it's a smaller Jira's/PRs. Really excited to see Py3 support happen in this project. Yeah, as we were talking about earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we were even just writing some stuff that only compiled in Python 2.7.
Right. By accident, I'm like, oh come on, I have to use Python 3x.
Yeah, it's cool. Okay, anyway.
It's pleasant if you know you're going to do it and that's what you're writing, but my old habits die hard.
Yeah, same. Okay, so this one got an LGTM, and actually I went to school with this guy.
Oh, nice.
Super
Small
sweet.
world.
But he's not a committer on this project.
Okay.
He does a bunch of work in here, but not currently a committer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to CC one of the people who is a committer and be like, do you have... And he and the committer work together. So
Sure.
like the fact that he gave it an LGTM and I'm CCing this person means like it'll...
You're fine.
Yeah, we're probably good. But
better safe than sorry.
yeah. Well, I mean, I just wanted to merge before shit gets stale.
Stale. And
Yeah.
it will get stale.
Oh my god, so quickly. Okay, cool. Cool, that one's done. This one, okay, sign off. Okay, so there's a sign off, but no merge yet. So let's go into the project and look at the git blame on this one. Actually, let's look at the git log, because probably whoever's touched it more recently. Cool. That is the only other person who's touched it. Okay. Let's see who else is working here. Is Charles Chen a committer? Lucas might be a committer, but okay, cool. Let's. I'm pretty sure Robert's a committer. And if I like really wanted to be sure, I could check. Yeah, let's actually check that. Apache Beam committers.
Oh, internet.
Cool. Project name is going to be Beam. Cool. Cool. Yeah, totally
Okay.
a committer. We're good. So let's CC at has an approval from the original author. If you have some cycles, I'd appreciate
What? Review, yeah.
review or merge if appropriate. Fuck. It's a good thing that we have spell check.
Oh, how did this happen before?
Oh my god, so poorly.
I-
Okay,
I spell poorly in 4 different languages.
that's
and-
pretty impressive.
Well, yeah, but there are people that actually do a good job in multiple languages, and I can just, without computers, I'd be incomprehensible.
Yeah, I can't spell in English.
Yeah, just
Pe-
barely, I can barely just barely.
People used to ask me what my first language was,
Oh,
but the answer is English.
rude.
I mean, this happened a lot in university.
Oh,
I was maybe a university which was a little more high class.
oh okay, yeah.
If you
well,
get where I'm, I mean, it was still Canadian, so not that high class.
oh, I
JK,
love
JK.
Canada.
Okay, cool. Oh, okay. Yellow means awaiting requested review. Awaiting requested review. But we got comments from 2 reviewers,
Okay.
so that is pretty solid.
Sweet.
I'm excited. Cool. Okay. Oops. Okay. Small comment deletes. Yeah, we did address that. I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's double check.
Could be good.
Let's see here. Okay, well, let's go see. Please address this comment. Oh, maybe I didn't. Oh, I fucked that one up. Cool. Let's go fix that. Okay, cool. So what it is in Docker. I didn't know this because I don't spend a lot of time with Docker files, but it looks like I have a lot of time with Docker files in my near future.
It's gonna be a big one day.
I'm pretty sure, yeah. I hear they even have their own conferences now.
Yeah, it's gonna be a thing. Yeah, just Linux containers.
Yeah.
Jury's still out on Linux though.
What?
Jury's still out on Linux. You think that's gonna be big?
I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, is Solaris coming back?
Oh, pour one out for sun. Don't do that. Oh,
I'm sorry. No, okay, come on. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
So much better.
We'll run AIX.
It was so good. Oh no, don't do that. One is good, one is AIX.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh man.
Okay. Cool. Okay.
I remember pulling RAM out of running Solaris machines and Spark machines, and it was just like, burp, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Try doing that today. Come on. Kids don't know. They don't know.
Oh man, I had we got back in school we had a deck alpha that we like
Torture.
respectfully tortured.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was just oh man, the thing was a beast.
Yeah. Computers.
Yeah. Okay, cool. I'm gonna fix this. But yeah, so the TLDR is I tried to unify this remove pip cache thing down here as a separate command because I'm like, we're doing this a bunch. We should just do it once.
Yeah, in the very
But
beginning.
it turns out, well, actually at the very end because we install a bunch of
Okay.
things, populates the cache, and then we remove it.
Is that in your Docker? Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're just cleaning out the, okay.
So it seems reasonable.
But.
But it turns out that that's actually not reasonable, and oops. But so each run command creates a separate layer,
Yeah.
And so because we remove the cache down here, we end up actually shipping all of the files and a layer that says remove all the files anyways. So we really need to put this removing of the cache after every pip install, which is like a little weird, but also like whatevs. Wait, did this actually, I'm super confused. Wait, I thought we weren't gonna do this. Wait, what? Okay, hold on. Wait, what? Wait, I'm like confused. What is this? Add support for user rec.txt for portable Python. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Wait, so what the fuck was I doing? Why is... Oh, I probably didn't need to change that. That was probably... okay, cool. Yeah, so that's why I was getting confused, because I made some changes to the build.gradle earlier because we were doing it one approach, and then I was like, we're not doing that approach anymore. Why am I changing the build.gradle? But it turns out that it's just like a small thing. Yeah. So, okay, we're good. So let's go check out this PR too. Git checkout. Cool. Okay. So we're gonna go look for SDKs. Well, let's go address the one that we've just been talking about a whole bunch. So let's open this file. Wait, what? Okay. Yes. Wait. Okay, yeah. Because. Wait. I'm going to double check the Airflow PR after this. I'm worried that I didn't actually save my change, which would like not be the most surprising thing that I've done. Cool. Docker file. I don't have the Docker mode highlighter in this Emacs install. Okay. So, yeah, okay. Okay, cool. Oh, wait, no, this totally is addressed. Wait, is it not? Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. Wait, this is addressed, I believe. It's just moved to the end of the same run CMD. Yeah, okay, so that actually is addressed, and that's fine. Okay, so the other one is to do with this make more sense as a requirements file. It turns out, yes, if you have time, please file a JIRA.
Okay, fair enough.
So that seems reasonable. Let's go find the note that says to do.
So you don't use GitHub issues?
No, yeah, because
Apache,
ASF projects mostly use JIRA.
Yeah.
Because JIRA generates the emails to the dev list that we need.
Yeah.
So that like if one day JIRA goes away or GitHub goes away, you know, we'll continue to, or not necessarily goes away, like maybe decides to stop working with ASF, like we still have the record. Cool, I'm gonna go ahead. So we'll go file a JIRA for this. The joys of having like two password managers, like the old one, which I probably should have never used, and the new, where's my scroll bar? God.
Oh, what the heck?
Fucking.
Is this LastPass?
Yeah.
Or is that all the time?
Okay. Issue? Cool. This I have a lot of accounts under the Apache subdomain.
Right.
And so that's super great. Cool. This is the dashboard from my old employer, which is somehow still my default dashboard. I don't know how to change it. But it's actually pretty useful.
Yeah.
Because I can keep up on what all my old friends are doing.
Nice.
And it's cool because then I can give them a hard time at conferences. So this is going to be a trivial priority in Python worker Docker file.
On the Spring team, a huge chunk of our projects are on Jira, but a lot of them moved to GitHub issues.
Oh, really? How did you find that move?
Well, I don't know how many actually moved, but we've got new projects like Spring Boot. We just started with GitHub issues. When I say new, like 4 years,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
5 years. And then some projects I think moved, and that was not great. But we wrote software. You know, we fixed software with software.
Yeah, I mean that's fixing social problems with software always works.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine. Just hold your nose.
In the Docker file for more details. Sure. Yeah. Whatever. Good enough. It's not a great Jira, but it's like a.
Did you reference the other one?
Yeah. I'm just gonna dump this. And then if someone goes grepping for it, you know, we're good. Yeah. Mention Beam Jira as for switching to rec.txt of Python dapps. Cool. Git push that. Close that. Go back here. Cool. So that's a comment. Okay. So, oh right, okay, we were gonna change the build.gradle to match reality, or not reality. We were gonna essentially get rid of our gratuitous change to build.gradle. And this is gonna be inside of container on line 62. Oh, god damn it, how many? Sometimes, like, the fact that I navigate projects with Magit is a little sketchy, but, like, it's cool. Okay. Remove unnecessary change to build.gradle. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go refresh.
Excited.
Okay, consider changing you will want to you will need to. Okay, let's read this. If you build a custom container, when you run your job, you will want to specify, that's need to, yeah, that's a good point.
It's not optional.
Yeah, well, at that point it's a purely decorative container,
right,
which might lack. You will, okay, want to? Cool.
Easy.
Need to for specifying container. Cool. That's good. That's good. This good. This good. Oh, why is this? I guess it's good. It's good. Okay. Could you add a note about how to use this script, a note about having a requirements file, and probably an account on BinTray? You don't need a BinTray account. Okay, yeah. Well, definitely I should remove those empty lines. Cool. Let's do that. So I called it add requirements.sh. Cool. Okay. To add requirements, specify you will need a requirements .txt. You can specify with user underscore requirements with the env variable. And somewhere to push the resulting Docker image.
Bin tray, GCP,
bin
container
tray.
registry.
Is that what it's called?
Isn't it? I don't know. Isn't it your thing? Google Container Registry.
What's it called?
It's got a name. I think it's Google Cloud Container Registry or something like that. Yeah.
Cool.
I'll buy that.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Whatever. GCP Container Registry, or 600 yaks.
What? What is that? Is there a reference I need to Google?
600 garden gnomes.
Oh, I haven't had enough tea. Right over my head.
No, this is distributed clusters are actually 600 garden gnomes.
Right. Okay. Yes.
Should I leave out the joke?
Yes. Because then you'll have to change it later, and why?
Yeah. Okay. It's a good point. Yeah. This is. If this was my own project,
Yeah,
I
that
would
would stay.
definitely.
That would be the law.
600 garden gnomes would be a required
Yeah.
thing. I'd be like, yeah, I know this doesn't make a lot of sense, but I like garden gnomes.
Yeah. Non sequiturs for the win.
Yeah, okay, cool. Git commit-am, clarify usage of addrec shell script. Does that? Let's run this.
Uh-oh.
Cool.
Can I stat?
Oh yeah, so if you don't specify it, it takes the requirements.txt of your current directory.
Right.
I should probably like not put that like. Let's move the set.x down
After
here.
you've
Yeah.
committed your
After
atrocities.
yeah. Cool. And this is mostly just because I didn't. So the reason I put in set-x is I didn't want to write the explanation of what the script was doing, and I'm just like, whatever.
The error will catch. Error handler will catch it.
Yeah, it's great. Cool. Move set-x after echo, so echo is readable. Cool. Git push. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's sure. Good point. Let's go through and see what's left.
I want to send a pull request to GitHub's.
Pull request review.
No, to GitHub. I wonder. I mean, they obviously have a WebSocket session that tells you it's out of date. Couldn't they just like refresh it for you?
Well, no, because like if you're mid-review, like that might be kind of jank.
Yeah, I guess. I'm not saying you should refresh the page. Just delta the.
Oh,
things
be
to the
like,
graph, you know,
here's
add
your
things to the
schmer.
DOM.
Yeah. Yeah.
We have the technology.
We do, but GitHub's commercial. Like,
I know, that's what I'm saying. But I'd love to be able to send pull requests to GitHub.com.
I agree.
You know, the source code.
Yeah. Okay. So that's it for the Apache Beam repos.
Okay.
Sorry, pull requests I had.
Been a productive, whatever, 30 minutes, 35 minutes.
35 minutes. I'm sorry, I overshot by 5.
That's all good.
I could update this or
Do it.
not. Okay, yeah, let's update my own project. Because you're getting started doing some stuff with the Spark project, and this Gitter 8 template makes it a little easier to start a new Spark project in Scala. I'm like pretty sure. I have a separate Python one that no one uses. But it's nice. Like other people have contributed to this, like, and I'm lazy, so
Yeah.
I'm excited. Git checkout master.
Ooh.
Fuck yeah, cool. And now I'm gonna go and check out update-version.
Wait, okay, just reading. My brain.
Yeah, typos do sometimes slip in my
in
branch
software.
names.
Yeah, no.
But like, it's really hard because I also grep my branch names, and then I'm like, where the fuck is my branch? And I'm just, my life is full of sadness. Okay, let's do this like fancy rebase shit now, because like, now that I can do this fancy force
Now that you
push,
trust it, yeah.
like that's kind of nice.
Ooh,
Oh, that just wait, that worked. What?
too easy. Something's wrong.
Yeah, good pull. I don't know. Wait. Oh, okay, no, Shift Q shebang. Okay. Get reset. Or okay. Get fetch origin. Get reset. What branch am I on? Yeah, okay. Get reset. Cool. Get stash. Cool. Okay. Get diff. Get rebase. Master. Why does this fucking work? Get push dash force with lease. Like, that's really weird because normally when GitHub says like I can't rebase, it's because it can't rebase. Oh,
You closed it. Right now.
okay.
Did you
Sure.
want to close it?
Let's take a look at what version of Spark it's using inside of here.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh wait, no, it's gonna be like src main g8 default.properties. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Cool. I guess we're done.
Right on.
Okay, awesome.
Nice.
Thank you for joining me.
That was fun. I
Yeah.
learned a lot.
Cool. Tomorrow morning I'll be doing something, I'm sure. Cool. I'm really glad that like the cutoff here, my secret keys are just below the cutoff. It's so great. But like, yeah, I need to get better. I definitely live streamed my password like the first time I did it for like a system, and it was just, thankfully it wasn't one of my embarrassing passwords.
I did the same thing for I did a spring tips video on my playlist, and I got like 30 to 40 messages saying, "Oh, Josh, I think you leaked your what was it?
Credentials.
Some sort of key." Yeah, and I'm like,
Yeah.
"That's fine. Thank you. I saw that,
And
and I had to fix it."
yeah. So
Fine.
tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. I'll be live coding on Apache Spark in Scala. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. It'll be something. In the afternoon, I'll be hacking on some Beam stuff. It'll probably be some more Go stuff because I have another Beam Go Jira to work on.
Nice.
And then on Friday, I'll do my regular code review at 9 a.m. And I'm going to try and schedule some more Airflow shit in there. And I'm also actually going to do a Kubeflow run through probably tomorrow night. I'm going to see if I can get through it in an hour. Who knows? Maybe. Like, I don't know. My coworker made a Kubeflow code lab.
Yeah.
And I want to run through it because I got a Kubeflow talk coming up. And it would be really cool if I knew what Kubeflow was before then. So, I mean, strictly speaking.
Don't make the bar so high.
Yeah, no, optional, but like better.
Yeah.
Right? No, and so I want to do that because like I've poked around in the Kubeflow source code a bit, but I haven't like actually used it.
In anger, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and so it'd be good to like like I've done like the basic Kubeflow tutorial, but I've also done that on like my Google machine. And like sometimes we have a little bit of extra magic on our Google machines.
Yeah.
And so I want to get a more authentic experience and run it on my kind of garbage machine back home. Continuing my trend of forgetting to do my intro, we'll do it as an outro. You can see my receipts here. 2018 live stream intro. So in this case, Boo is back at home. And this is my exciting adventures in open source. You can see today we mostly focused on breaking Apache Beam and Apache Airflow.
Right.
Should also give a shout out to my glorious employer. I'm a developer advocate at Google. They pay me money, and in exchange, they receive things that
Spark
are
and code.
yeah. definitely worth their money, 100%. If you work at Google, it's not like review season, but do keep me in mind when perf comes around. Okay, cool. With that, I'll see you all around. Have a lovely rest of your Sunday, and I hope to see some of y'all on Monday.